All right, traders, I'd like to take just a few minutes and discuss some of the features and functionality of the TSTrader platform. It's a very flexible platform. I'm going to start up here in the left-hand corner. Adding modules is where we're going to find the tools, the charts, the DOM or depth of market, news, positions, any of the other features that we want to put on the platform. This alert notification is when we get a fill, when we have placed an order, when we have canceled an order, we're going to be able to see all of our action in order at this spot. This alert we can set to when markets reach certain levels. This is the search mode. Anything that you're looking for that's available on the TSTrader, you're going to be able to find and locate here in search. We have the account number. We have the overall equity in the account in real time, the open position or open profit or loss of any current trades across the entire platform. The daily loss limit is going to be visible right through here. The closer you are to your daily loss limit, the more you're going to see the color come across here. We have application settings where you're going to be using what you might be using to add or remove some of these alerts and other items. Again, I want to make sure you know that there are shorter, more detailed videos with each of these functions available to you on our YouTube channel. So how do we set this up? How are we going to take a look and get into the market? What do we need to do? How can we change some of these functions? Well, we have a line chart up right now for October crude oil. And as a safe note, I want to make sure that you know that the TSTrader does not default to the highest volume contract of any of the products that you're trading. Make sure you are aware of when those rollovers occur and make sure that you're trading the highest volume contract of any product that you're trading. Right now, October 2017 crude is the highest volume, but I don't want to use a line chart. How do I change this line chart to another type of chart? We can go right here. You see chart type, we click. I'm going to put the candlestick up. So I'm going to click. We now have Japanese candlesticks on our chart, but I'm also not a fan of the 5-minute chart. I prefer to the 30-minute. So if I click on there, I can move to the 30-minute time frame. But I like to trade the S&Ps as well. So I'm going to need to put the S&P chart up here. I'm going to go up to modules, click, chart, click and hold. Then I can drag this to where I want it on my platform. Let go, add the product and month, ESU 2017, and select. I now have the 30-minute candlestick chart for the E-mini S&P 500 on my platform. But I like to use the DOM or depth of market with which to trade. So I'm going to add the DOMs for both of these markets. Go back up to modules, DOM, click and hold. I'm going to bring this over to the right here, let go. Again, I'm going to need to add the product and month, select. Now I have the DOM. I'm going to do the same for the S&Ps. I'm going to go back up to modules, DOM, click and hold. Drag it to where I want, let go, and then add the product and month, select, and there we go. Now I want a little bit more room on my platforms than I need on my DOM. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click and hold, and I'm going to drag this over here so I can get a little bit more room on the charts and a little bit less of the DOM. I'm going to do the same down here. I'm going to click and hold, drag, and release. Any of these modules you can increase the size of. You can maximize up here by holding your cursor over the full size, click, and now you see the entire crude oil chart. To go back to before, just click it again, and we go back. We can do so on the DOM as well. If we want to see the entire DOM from side to side, and we can go back there. Now there are, you may notice, some tabs underneath my crude oil chart. This is a quote board. This is going to be showing us what's going on in many of the other markets that we trade here at TSTrader. If you want to be paying attention to a market that you're not currently in, it may be a correlated market to what you're trading. This is a good way to watch. Orders. This is a list of all the orders that you have placed, whether they are filled or whether they are still working or if they've been canceled. Positions. You may want to be cognizant of the positions that you're holding in all of the different products that you may be holding. You're going to find that right here in the Positions tab. And then, of course, we have News on the fly. We're going to be able to see news as it happens. And we can go back to our crude chart. Now, again, I want to encourage you to check out the shorter, more detailed videos that are available for all of the features of the TSTrader. We hope you found this helpful. For more tutorials, videos, and information, subscribe to our YouTube channel and sign up for daily notifications from our blog. Trade well.